How to create an Instagram page for business. First, open Instagram, create a new Instagram account. You can use your business email or mobile number for this and create new and unique passwords. Set your date of birth. Click Next. Then, enter your business name as a full name. Make sure your username. Click on Next. Then, agree to the Instagram terms and policies. Now, add an impactful profile on Instagram. Once you've created your account, it's time to switch gears to business mode. Go to your profile, tap on the menu, scroll down to Account Type. Click on it and select Switch to Professional Account. Choose what type of business and enable display on profile about you if you want. Then click Done. Here, make sure you select Business. Then click Next. Now, add your number and address on the path to Instagram marketing mastery. Then, enable the display contact info for leads. Click on Next. For a seamless marketing experience across platforms, connect your Instagram business account to your Facebook page. Then, it asks to set up your professional account clearly, to understand users about you clearly. Finally, your business account is set up, and there you gave it.